Hello everyone. So today I am going to share you my journey about how I learned spoken English. Okay, so this will be very useful for you to listen it. So I request you all to listen it very carefully from beginning to the ending of my video. So let's start. What happened? This was my feeling that I have to be learn spoken English anyhow from when I was in the 10th standard. Okay, so what I used to do, I just started to join coaching of spoken English. Okay, then I started coaching and I I went to that coaching and I just learned from there, and where I got stuck in the grammatical portion. They used to focus on the tenses, they used to focus on the narrations, direct, indirect, prepositions, and lots of the thing that they used to tell you. So where when you are going to make your sentence, you just got stuck. When you are going to speak, you just got confused what sentence you have to make. Are you making right sentence, are you making a wrong sentence? So you got stuck in this circle. I just suggest you not to join any kind of coaching classes, because you have to learn spoken English. Spoken English means you have to learn conversation English. Okay, so you want a conversation with someone other, so there is no requirement to have a grammatical portion focused. You just a basic knowledge of grammar, that is sufficient for learning spoken English, and that you got from your studies material that you from the till the 10th standard, you studied all the thing, that is maybe tenses, passives, active passives, all the thing you already have in your study material. So you just don't need to be focused on this type of material. You just have a conversation. So what you have to do, actually you have to be start a conversation. And what kind of conversation you will do? You will have a conversation with to someone other. If it may be possible, if somebody is there, somebody who have a knowledge of spoken English, you just sit with them and start speaking. Okay, so I am telling you that what I have done. Actually, when I just think, when I just got in the grammatical portion stuff, so I just notice the teacher that gives the lecture, and that was totally in English. So I was just thinking that how fluently they are able to give their lecture in English totally. So what there is something in strategy. If they are also focus on the grammatical portion, they also got stuck, but they are giving their lecture fluently. So I just decided to them not to focus on this portion. I just tried to follow that what they are going to do. So when I just started practicing, I just think that, and then I notice that, and then I just work on it, and I what I have did, I just started practicing from my side. So there are various videos. I just started watching various kind of videos that is available in the YouTube, and there are various content that is available. So how much practically you are taking with English, or how much practically you are going with English is connected with you, that at that quantity. So if you are talking in English, you will not in the beginning you will not able to talk um, continuously. So what I decided at that time, I just I just try to make a small sentence. I just used my language to with English, that is my native language is Hindi, and I English, I just got remix with it. And whatever I just used to speak, I just speak in a English. Okay, the combination of both. So there is a connectivity increases from with English. So what happened, slowly the connectivity with English that get increases, then I used to make a small sentence easily. Then I see I am more attached with English while listening some video. There are various kind of videos that is available. So I just started watches this video and any kind of cartoon. So you can't able to watch TV serials in the English, but cartoon shows are also available in English. So I just started that cartoon show in also English. I just started the story books also in English. Whatever the material I used to study, I just started study in English. So this is also helped me to speak English fluently. So this is what my experience is. And then when you are start listening, you just have to be speak also. So in your environment, you just set your environment, it would be better, because English everybody wants to speak. Nobody will somebody will make also fun with you that you are speaking English. So somebody will got enjoy with it, somebody will make you fun, but you just ignore them. And some of them will also interested in you, that they will also interested to talk to you. So just what you have to do, you just make a circle, try to make a circle in nearby your environment. There are also having a second option of mobile apps, but I just suggesting you to make a circle of in your environment. So just start a discussion. You may take a group discussion, you may take a any conversation or any serious topic, any interested topic. You maybe take if you are going to talk, but it should be take you should take seriously. You don't take it as a fun. Because if you will take it as a that as a fun, you will not able to speak fluently. And something you want, so you have to be serious about it, you have to be continuous about it. And continuity is very necessary for learning. That's why I am able to speak, because I am continuously practicing, and I am in the continuously linking with English, so that I am able to learn English spoken fluently. This is what I want to tell. So if you also want to speak fluently, so these all are the tips you will also use for it. Don't get stuck in the grammatical portion. No need to take whatever you are going to make a mistake. You just try to speak whatever you are speak. And a little bit confidence will increases when you are going to speak more and more. Then the confidence automatically will come. So it will happen actually. And I just able to speak, then everybody can speak English. This is not a big task. So don't take it as a big task. It is as easier as your other task, because everybody speaks everything. What happen actually when we are 1 to 2 year old, we are not getting learn with Hindi or our mother tongue. We are not going to learn. We are going to learn with listening. Okay. So whatever our parents says to us, they said mom, they said mama, papa. So they all are the thing. Whatever they say, we just listen them and we just speak them. So listening will also matter for you to speak in English. So these all are the tips that you are going to use. So I hope this will be a very useful information for you. You just try it and learn it. Thank you.